Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to our school, SMP Negeri 42 Surabaya. Today we have gymnastic activity. Check it out. As we know, we have this activity monthly. It is led by a gymnastic teacher. The purpose of this activity is to keep our body healthy. At this time, the activity is only for the 9th grade. Is there any activities like this at your school? Please comment. Okay guys, that's all about our activity today. I hope it is inspiring all of you. See you all the next activity. Bye bye.